Another video, a bit close on the other one, but this one is about the confinement here, because from Monday our curfew will be, I think, 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock, and the requirement to have an attestation or certificate for travelling more than 10 kilometres from home will be lifted. But this is the view outside here at 8:30 in the evening, and it shouldn't be like this, but of course there's no one out. So unless you're going to work, you shouldn't be out, and it's much as though I like the peace and quiet, it's not natural, it's not good, very depressing, and I still can't get my head around everyone wearing a mask, but we have to because of the virus, I know that, but it's so abnormal. Went cycling to Vermont for the first time today in a year, which did me the world of good, with a mask, and all the rest of it wasn't that bad. And in fact, the mask has the advantage that I don't hoover up flies through my mouth. So there we go. The camellia bush and the magnolia over there, which is going to have its frost protection put on because the temperatures are going down to 2. Probably that means -1 here, and there is a risk of frost, particularly in the Somme region. Now, the certificate we had to use originally is this document here. It was quite a fair document. You go out with the dog, you had to sign it and time it and date it, and you were allowed out for an hour in the first confinement. I'm very lucky with the second confinement, as it's called. It's been a lot more liberal, and people obviously adhere to it quite well. But we haven't had the same restrictions that you've had over in the UK, some of which, to me, to be quite honest, sound quite cruel. But I'm not there, so I'm here. So my concern is what goes on here. And I suppose to make this a bit more interesting, let's show you some more of the garden. Now there's some more wildflowers coming up through the